Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we will be discussing about continue and next statement. So first we will discuss about continue statement. So continue statement transfer the control to the next COBOL statement for the execution. So it's just a simple one. It just transfer the control to the next COBOL statement. Here is the syntax. Continue. So let's see the COBOL program on the mainframe and understand it. So here the COBOL program we have, which I already written. So if we have this COBOL statement, if some condition, and we have given the continue statement here and display. So what it will do, whenever we give the continue, it will transfer control to the after and if. So after this statement, this will get executed. So continue transfer control to the next available statement. Next we have next sentence statement. So in COBOL, next sentence will be used to pass the control to the next executable statement next to the states where it finds the period, the dot sign. As we know, COBOL will consider the period as the end of the ongoing statement. So here is the syntax next sentence. So let's understand through the COBOL program. So continue transfer control to the next available statement. But when we give the next sentence, so in this statement, we have given the next sentence. So it will transfer control to this if condition since it finds the dot sign here. Here we did not have dot or period here. So next sentence won't execute this since here we don't have this dot sign. So it transfer control to the next available statement after the period. So this is the major difference between continue and next statement. I hope you guys have understood this continue and next statement. So that's all about this lecture, guys. We will meet in the next one. Thank you.